Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the C&TFamily channel, guys. And you guys should know what is about to go down. Don't mind the hair, but you guys should know what the feet. What's about to go down. So today, guys, we're about to go on the beach. But first, we're about to go fish and then head on the beach and take a sea bath. Guys. I don't know when last I've been on the beach. Like, it's been forever. I haven't been on the beach. So we packed. Treasure, don't play with that. Don't play with it. Treasure, don't play with it. So we got our fishing rod here. And then we got Treasure in the background. Say hi. Say hi, Treasure. Right, so we're about to go, guys. So see you guys when we there in our final, when we reach our destination, guys. Arista. What bilhin ni? Bilhin na sandcastle? Lift it up, let me see. Lift it up. Oh, see daddy? Lift it up, let me see. Lift up the castle. Welcome back to my channel, guys. And today, guys, a girl about to go do her hair, like, you know, take care of my hair because, oh my god, I don't know when last I actually straightened my hair, but I did my hair. I did my hair about 2 weeks back. I did my hair, put it up in a ponytail and stuff like that. But guys, it needs to be done, like it needs to be straightened. So I'm about to go straighten it because tomorrow, God, is my uncle's funeral. So I'm about to straighten it for my uncle's funeral tomorrow and make myself look pretty again. And yeah, like make myself look really pretty again. And also I was supposed to do my nail, but my nail tech is on holiday for the whole month, and I don't really feel like going by any other nail tech to do my nails. So I'm gonna wait. So I'm gonna buy some press on to put on my nails still for the funeral because I want to look like a make myself look good and stuff like that. Look at my hair, guys. This is my hair and it's so dirty, guys. This is my hair. I also wanted to add tracks, but I'm gonna just straighten it first and then after add the tracks after. But then again, I need to go get some fuse for my car because my compressor burned my fuse for the one that you know, the cigarette lighter thing. So the compressor burned that fuse. I get back some other fuse, right? I bought some other fuse, but I don't know where I left it, so I have to go back and buy back the fuse again because it's not like a waste money, because I know that I will use my compressor again. Compressor gonna burn it again, but I need to check out the compressor because I don't know why I keep on burning my freaking fuse, guys. So I'm about to get that and then get some press on. So let's go. Come with me to get done. And also get thing for my hair. Stuff for my car, sorry. Yeah, so this is the length of my hair, guys. It's dirty. See, it's dirty. So I'm taking like about an hour or half an hour out of my work time to go do my hair and do it myself. So let's go get the fuse first and then after get the clip on. After that's the fuse I have to get. See how tiny it is? Yep, let's go. My way to get the fuse. Let's go. So you guys see the look, guys. Look, the change, guys, the change. Right, so we go end up in KFC because I am hungry. And guys, I said that I was taking like half an hour of my work time, but I ended up taking like a whole hour and some KFC. So yeah, peace. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.